Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is great to be back. I have been battling the sinus and cold. I have been so stuffy and still am, but I said let me get on here because today I want to share with you a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and it is super exciting because it is all ready to wear. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy the video, and if you do, go ahead and consider clicking the subscribe button down below, hitting the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, and give this video a like. Again, today it's all about Louis Vuitton ready to wear. I am going to unbox 3 pieces that I purchased. I am so excited, and I'm also going to show you some clips of some of the other pieces that I tried on while at the boutique. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into it. Again, the bag is the Game On collection bag, and it is pretty large, so I am just going to put it down here and I'm going to pull the pieces out. I have no idea which one is which because I have not opened them since I purchased them. One is from the Game On collection and the other 2 are from the, I think it was the pre-fall collection. Let's go ahead and start with this one, and it is packaged in their beautiful box with the nice ribbon and the Game On collection card. I think this is the item that I pre-ordered because my store had not received it and I wanted to try this one on, and I did, and I loved it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. And this is what it looks like. It's got the really beautiful velvet hanger that says Louis Vuitton, and it has tissue paper. Let's get this out. And I will go ahead and insert a clip of what it looked on me. I am going to style it for all of you in another video, but here it is. Any guesses? You want to take a pause and take a guess. You can kind of see some of that Game On peeking through. And it is this beautiful, beautiful t-shirt. This is called the Game On Contrast Back t-shirt with loop details. As you can see, it's got all of the Game On monogram in the front with all the colors. It has this detail on the shoulders right here. And this has the Louis Vuitton Paris. Let's see if hopefully you can get a good, it's got like a, it's just a snap detail, but it's not a button. It's just the detail there. And also on the sleeve right here. Same on the other side. And then the back of the t-shirt is plain black. I generally don't buy all monogram type of clothing, but I thought this was so cute because of the coloring. Comes with everything. It's got an extra little button there, and the care information is there. And again, I picked this one up in a size small. So this is the first item. The next 2 items are actually a set, and they are, I believe, from the pre-fall collection. Let's start with this one. I'm not sure which one is which, but we'll go ahead and get them opened up. And I love ready to wear. I wish I could buy all sorts of ready to wear. I am unfortunately not there, but I do enjoy once in a while picking some up. Ah! And this is the presentation. And it's interesting because any other ready to wear that I've purchased from Louis Vuitton comes in a garment bag. I'm not sure if because these are sporty type outfits that they don't come with a garment bag, but this one did come with a hanger also, and as you can see, these are going to be pants. And just again, it's got your tissue paper, and these are these beautiful, beautiful joggers. They are all black, and then they have stripes on the side, which are white and a burgundy color. The waist is elastic, and it's got the beautiful monogram at the waist. And this is what the back looks like. It has a very small pocket, and then it's got the LV. And let's see, I know that I think this is pre-fall. Oh, it doesn't really seem to have much information. Let me just see. No, it just has the some extra thread. And these are just super, super nice, very comfortable. And they do have a raw hem at the bottom. See if you can see that. It's got a raw hem at the bottom. And yeah, I just thought this is so nice and comfortable, but yet at the same time, not your regular jogging pants. Definitely something that you can dress up. These are a size small, and these are made in Italy. Love these. I saw these when I picked up the Cardigan set and my vanity case from the Game On collection, and I saw these and I was like, ugh, these are so, so adorable, but I didn't buy them. And when I went back to the store and they were there, and I was like, ugh, I started trying on a couple of things from the Game On collection, and I decided to try those on, and that was it. But not least, I've already taken it out of the box because this one did come in a dust bag. These are the new dust bags, which I have to say I loved the other ones more. But let's go ahead and check this out. And this is the matching jacket to the joggers. And so the jacket is all black. It's got a beautiful silver zipper right here at the front with the LV. And it's got two little pockets in the front. And here you've got the Louis Vuitton and the flower. There's the monogram. The other pocket is plain. The side of the sleeves have the same stripes as the joggers, and also the sleeves are unfinished. And the back is just plain black. And on one sleeve it does have the LV right here. Love, love, love this one. Again, this is a size small, and this one was also made in Italy. And again, this is super, super cute with its little zipper pull in the front, and I love it. And this is an outfit that you can wear as very, very casual. However, I personally will be dressing this up, and I will be styling it, and I will share that with you. All right, so these are the 3 ready-to-wear pieces that I picked up from Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the footage of the other pieces that I tried on. I hope you enjoy it. I hope that you get some ideas if you were considering it. I will pop in all of the sizes of the different pieces that I tried on. Thank you for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this Louis Vuitton ready-to-wear unboxing and little try-on, and I will see you soon. Bye.